This is my cover for my report I did. And this right here is the title page.
Jeff. Go ahead.
Great white sharks are really big sharks. They can grow over 8 meters long and weigh over 2,000 kilograms. A great white's color is gray on the top and white on the bottom. A great white's skin is more than a covering for a skeleton and organs. It is covered in tooth-like projections called dermal denticles that make it hard to pierce. Great white's denticles are gray on the top and of the body and white on the underbelly, matching the shark's skin color. Great white sharks are found in coastal waters near California, Mexico, Australia, and South Africa. Great whites feed on large fish, other sharks, seals, turtles, octopuses, squids, seabirds, and other sea creatures. Some people think that they eat people, but great whites mistake them for seals. Great white sharks are at the top of their food chain. In addition to the foods that the sharks eat, there are other organisms in their food chain: plankton, sea urchins, and algae. The only animal that can kill a great white shark is an orca. Has been known to kill a great white shark is an orca, also known as a killer whale. Great white sharks are consumers because they can't make their own food and have to eat other organisms to get their matter and energy. Great whites are carnivores because they only eat meat. Great whites are nocturnal, which means they hunt at night. They are called ambush hunters because they catch their prey by surprise from below. The attack with a surface charge, which is a quick, powerful rush with its body while part of it is above the surface. Great whites have rows of large blade-like teeth that are shaped like a triangle. If a tooth falls out, a new one behind takes its place. A great white shark's mouth can measure 16 inches across and 3 feet tall. They don't chew their meals, they swallow them whole. The genus of a great white shark is a Carcharodon, and the species is a landform shark. The conservation status of a great white shark is that they are vulnerable, which means they are likely to become endangered unless the threats to their survival and reproduction. There are many reasons that the great whites are threatened. Many fishermen target many sharks for their jaws, teeth, and fins. Also, global warming is heating the air and oceans, making it hard for the sharks and fish to survive.
One second.
Pollution and human actions are shrinking and destroying the sharks' habitats. There are several ways that we can help the great white survive. We need to teach people about these threats to the sharks. We need to ask the government to pass laws to protect the great white sharks.
1 second. Go ahead.
Sharks are a vital part of the ocean ecosystem. They are apex predators, which means they control the populations of the smaller fish in the sea. Apex means the top or highest. They have no natural predators. They only compete with orcas if they are both in an area that has their foods in their food chain. Without great whites, or too few of them, the balance of the ocean ecosystem will be lost. Small fish populations which will grow out of control and they will run out of food and start to die off. Humans need to help great whites survive, so many organisms in the ocean will also survive.
Nice job, buddy.